In this video, I will be showing you how I install the official ChatGPT app on my Windows computer for free so I can access the AI directly from my desktop without needing a browser. I'm starting right here on my desktop, and to begin, I'll move my cursor down to the taskbar and click on the Microsoft Store icon to open the marketplace. Once the window loads, I'll navigate to the top search bar and type in ChatGPT. From the search results, I'll make sure to select the official app developed by OpenAI to ensure I'm getting the correct version. Next, I'll click the blue install button to start the process. I'll wait just a moment while the store checks for any necessary dependencies and prepares the installation files for download. As the progress bar moves along, the system will finish installing the app and restoring its data in the background. Once the process is fully complete, the install button will change to say Open. I'll click that to launch the new desktop application for the first time. Now that it's open, I'll maximize the window to give myself a full workspace, and I'm all set to log in and start using ChatGPT directly from my Windows desktop. This is a much faster way to stay productive and keep your chats organized alongside your other apps. If you found this quick walkthrough helpful for setting up your AI workspace, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.